Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. It's great to have you here. Today, we're talking about something really exciting: how to choose the best LMS software for employee training. No matter who you are, whether you're a business owner, an HR manager, or just someone who wants to boost their workforce, you're going to love this video. We've got some awesome insights to share, so let's dive right in and get started. In today's fast-paced world, staying competitive means investing in your employees' growth and development. One powerful tool for this is a learning management system, LMS. But, with so many options out there, how do you choose the best one? Step 1. Assess your needs. Before you begin your LMS journey, it's crucial to evaluate your organization's specific training needs. Are you looking to onboard new employees, meet compliance requirements, or bridge skill gaps? Identify the weak links in your workforce and prioritize your training objectives. This step sets the foundation for your LMS selection. Step 2. Create a learning plan. Once you know what you need, it's time to create tailored learning plans for each employee or group. Consider the content and interactive tools required for skill development. Interactive videos, games, and participation tools within e-learning courses can all play a role in your plan. Step 3. Build a detailed learning plan. Now, as you implement your training program, closely monitor its effectiveness. Pay attention to what's working and what isn't. Be ready to make adjustments to improve quality and ensure training success. Data and analytics can be your best friends in this phase. They provide insights that help fine-tune your training program. Step 4. Reporting and continuous monitoring. Successful training doesn't end with implementation. It's an ongoing process. Maintain open channels of communication with users and trainers to get real-time feedback. Consider using tools like Paradiso LMS's reporting feature, which makes it easy to collect and analyze essential data. This helps you configure your training programs to meet expectations and objectives. And there you have it: how to choose the best LMS software for employee training. By following these steps, you can empower your workforce and drive your company's success. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful content. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today.